In this video, we will learn how to use DeepSeek, which is a completely free alternative to ChatGPT. It has made waves in the AI community, which is now the most downloaded app on the Android and Apple App Store. DeepSeek new R1 version combines innovation with accessibility, making it a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Here is everything you need to know about DeepSeek and DeepSeek R1, including how to use it on PC and mobile devices. You can simply access the AI model on the web. For PC users, DeepSeek R1 functions similar to ChatGPT and can be accessed through any web browser. The setup is simple. Simply go to Google and search DeepSeek. Visit the DeepSeek website. Accessing DeepSeek is pretty easy. You can either download the DeepSeek app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or simply click here in your favorite web browser. However, before using DeepSeek, you will have to create an account. Please note that the new registrations are currently put on hold. The website shows due to large-scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek service, registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Registered user can log in normally. Thank you for your understanding and support. Here you will be asked to register using your email, ID or number. Alternatively, you can also register using Google account. Once logged in, you will see an interface that feels familiar to anyone who has used ChatGPT, making it easy to start using the AI right away. You can start interacting with the chatbot. When you sign in, you will see a ChatGPT-like user interface with a text box in the center that lets you talk to the AI-powered chatbot. If you want to check out previous chats, simply tap on the button that appears on the top left to bring up past conversation with the AI chatbot. To enable the DeepSeek R1 model or look up information on the internet, you will have to manually enable the feature by clicking on the DeepSeek R1 and search button, which can be found beneath the text boxes. If you want the chatbot to extract text from images or analyze a document, simply press the paperclip button that resides on the right side of the text box. To start a new chat, just tap the button on the top right and DeepSeek will initiate a conversation from scratch. While DeepSeek is new at the moment, it is expected to get more features in the future. DeepSeek R1 is also available on mobile platform, making it accessible to users on the go. It is currently the top downloaded in global app stores. Find the DeepSeek R1 app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Use your email account or Gmail account or other supported credentials to log in. The mobile app offers the same powerful AI interaction as the web version, ensuring a seamless experience across devices. Don't be afraid to experiment and push your creative boundaries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creatives. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Guide for daily tutorials, tips and tricks to elevate your design skills. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.